next question. Somebody's asking about Switzerland. I guess you're asking that in light of what's happening. So for those who are watching or listening to the recording of this, this is, a day or two after the Credit Suisse. So we're doing this on the 21st of March. So this is a couple of days, a day or two after the instability of Credit Suisse, which was the second largest bank in Switzerland. It's now being taken as part of the bailout package, is being taken over by UBS, which is the largest bank. And in terms of just being completely transparent, I did work for UBS long time ago back in London. So and Switzerland, I'm a huge fan of Switzerland. Whoever asked, it's been around for a long time, and it's been a jurisdiction that's been synonymous with wealth management and with asset protection and stability, generally speaking. But hey, we live in definitely uncertain times. What do I think about Switzerland? I was speaking to a fellow professional who runs a multifamily office in either Geneva or Zurich, I don't remember. This was last week or the week before, and yeah, I think I would definitely mirror his sentiments in that the future for Switzerland as a jurisdiction, I think it's definitely assured. It has, as I said, a long history, and perhaps longer history than most jurisdictions. It's been through lots of highs and lows. It is the natural offshore center, one of them, at least for continental Europe, if not for high net worth families from all over the world, including Asia, Africa, Latin America. So yeah, and with that history comes a measure of comfort and security. So you have a deep and wide network of fiduciaries, of professionals, lawyers, accountants, tax advisors, wealth managers, bankers, who are very familiar with the jurisdiction. So that talent pool is deep, that talent pool is wide. So you have easy access to the best in class in terms of helping you manage your wealth. And if you want to move there, helping you set up. So, but it's not for everyone. It's not Dubai. The entry point is a lot higher than Dubai. So you probably, I think you can live in Dubai comfortably on, low to mid six figures. In Switzerland, you're probably going to have more than that to live comfortably, because it is not a low cost jurisdiction. It is not for everyone. But I'm pretty bullish on Switzerland. So I hope that answers your question. Safety, security, history, legacy, great talent pool.
So if you're a 6, 7, or 8-figure investor, entrepreneur, or business owner who needs a tailor-made solution from a qualified team of professionals, we can help you achieve the international lifestyle, the freedom, and even the tax savings you're looking for. Visit us at htj.tax and live that international life.